to today's episode. So as you can see, I'm standing in an empty swimming pool right now. This pool has not been empty in probably 4 years. When I first got involved in this resort, the pool was already an aging pool, but it certainly wasn't in the condition it's in today. This pool is probably 15 years old, possibly more, and something started happening a few years ago. These little blue tiles started to chip off. It doesn't exactly inspire a 5-star experience, does it, when you look at that? So it's been a bit of an eyesore for me for a long time, so I'm looking forward to having the experts come in. They're going to strip all of this back. They say they can also do brand new patterns as well, and I think it's going to really just lift up the whole look and feel of this entire area. When this place is open and it's a hot summer's day, it looks amazing, and I know that with new tiles it's going to really make the place look even better. We're going to finish draining this tomorrow, get the whole place retiled, hopefully over the next week, and then fill it back up and really look after it. So this is one of the worst areas, the grout. It actually lasts longer when it's submerged in water. So a pool like this with tiles, supposedly you're not meant to leave them empty in the sun for more than a month, otherwise all the mortar can start cracking. But I went into Harco the other day, and luckily I found the tile, and it looks to be a pretty good match. I hope so. I didn't actually check perfectly, but yeah, it looks to be a very good match. So there were 4 boxes left in the store. We got them all, and it's not going to be enough to do the entire thing. So we are going to have to rip up these tiles and try and preserve them without cracking them along the way. I don't know how easy that's going to be, but we'll soon find out. So guys, we've got a team of tilers here now. This is Marco. He's been here. He was actually one of the original tilers when we did the renovation about 3 or 4 years ago. So it's been a while since I've seen him. And what they're doing is they're taking all the grout out. Most of it was already out, and they're putting in all the new grout. So this will make the tiles stick on for a lot longer. And you're telling me 6 years, right?
6 years.
6 years, it should be good. So that's the minimum guarantee.
Okay.
Okay, so the renovation is now done. So now I'm going to show you the end product. Let's have a look. Okay, so we didn't end up ripping up all the tiles. Originally, I thought we were going to have to do that. I thought they were going to have to take each tile off and then put mortar on the bottom so it would really stick, and then fill in the gaps with the mortar. But what they did is they kept the original tiles where they were. In a lot of places, they were still clinging to the wall strong enough, but all the grout, or the mortar, I guess you call it, I don't know if they didn't put it there originally, but it was missing for most of the pool. Maybe it's just wear and tear over the years, because this hasn't been repaired in well over a decade. So they put all new mortar around all the tiles, you can see, even down here, all along the edges. Again, these are really the original tiles, but there are spots on the base where tiles had started to come off. So we did replace some of those. If you come up here, I'll show you the best part is these chairs at the pool bar. This has been bothering me for years. A lot of these tiles had come off. Now you can see, I mean, it's not perfect. It's not perfectly flat because the surface wasn't perfectly flat. But these are all the new tiles. So now when you sit down, you actually have a complete flat seat. And like I said, that was bothering me for a long time. So it's good that that's fixed. We did also add here on the face. These are new. This was here from several years ago, but we still had some tiles left over. These came from Mexico. So it just makes it look a little bit better. And if you come over here, so this, this had, a lot of these had come off, so this has been repaired. What we plan to do next is, there's actually a waterfall here. There used to be like different rocks, and then they put this big thing in. What we're going to do is we're going to cover this up in Laha stone. It's the same stone that we have on all the paths. So we have a lot of that left over from the renovation for several years ago. So we'll cover all of this up, make it look nicer. And then over here, the stairs, this was the worst part. So all of these little tiles had started to come off over the years. So all of this is new. You can see the difference in color. These are the original tiles. They've faded a bit, but this is all new. That's the end result, and now all we have to do is fill it with water, and then people can enjoy the pool. So if you plan to come here, perhaps later on this year for my event, you'll get to enjoy the pool. We'll have the pool bar open. You can have some cocktails there, sitting at the bar, and we'll have a great time. Okay, see you tomorrow.